Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford Bronco in a Badlands trim and powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency. Also coming with the Sasquatch package, giving you some bead-locked rims with some 35-inch off-road tires there. You've got the rock sliders down below as well, and the bigger fender flares to accommodate the bigger tires, as well as a soft top and the fifth full-size spare on the back, matching the Sasquatch package. Looking into the back, you have your tailgate that opens up to the side, revealing your cargo area, which is relatively spacious and can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. You have your tie-down points here with little lassos on them, a 12-volt power outlet there, and underneath this little hatch you have your jack with some extra room there for other equipment. Down here with a USB, USB-C, and 110-volt power outlet. And the backs of the seats have this sort of molly rigging here, so you can attach or hook equipment into there, and some mesh pouches. This vehicle does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your car. And looking in, you do have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, though most of those controls are located here in the center console. And you have a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel on the right hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip and fuel information, your off-road info. Pretty important, you can look at all the stats there, your navigation, phone, and audio controls, as well as settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, as well as having My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. And then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls, kind of split up between the two. And then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. So you have some options there. Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost. Whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, and your general vehicle features such as driver assistance and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you can see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. And then above that, you have some of your 4x4 controls here, or 4x4ing equipment. You have front and rear locking differential, trail turn assist, so when you're on a tighter road and you need to turn around, that'll help you do that tighter turn. Traction control shutoff, hazards, and here you have your front stabilizer bar or stabilizer bar disconnect. And ahead of that, you have your accessory rail mounting spot there, so if you want to mount a GoPro up here to film your travels, you can do that pretty easily. And moving down, you have your media controls as well as your auto start stop shut off, and then you have your climate controls with dual zone front climate with heated front seats so you can stay warm. Down below that, you have this little area here with a USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there. You have a grab handle here, so you can hold on tight while you're bumping around, as well as having two more on either side of the dash. And then you have your main shifter here for the 10-speed automatic transmission with a select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. Then you have two cup holders and your 4x4 selector here with 4 auto and trail control. So it's kind of like cruise control for slower speeds on rougher terrain, as well as being able to cycle through your GOAT modes here. So you have normal, eco, slippery, mud ruts, sand, Baja, and rock crawl modes. So you can customize your driving experience quite a bit there. And then you have your window and mirror controls, because of course the doors are removable, but the mirrors stay on the vehicle, so you want to still be able to move those around. And you have your lockable center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious inside with a 12-volt. And lockable, of course, because you can take the doors off, take the roof off, whatever you want to do with this vehicle. And then, before I forget, you do also have 6 upfitter switches up here, which can be wired up however you please. And with the soft top, you can, of course, take it off entirely or just fold it out of the way so you can ride with the top down. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now, if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.